What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how to properly prune big branches. And the secret to that is to not use those little handheld pruners or even those big loppers. Even though they might seem easy and convenient, there is a much better tool for the job. And that is a simple little hand saw such as this one. The reason why is because loppers or pruners will actually squeeze the bark and cause additional damage to the plant, possibly leading to additional diseases or the introduction of said diseases. So all you have to do really is go through close to the where you want to cut it. So in this case I want to prune this branch off as it's pointing the wrong direction. And what you'll do is just come on real close to the base, but you don't want to cut into the bark, so you don't want to do it right here, but rather go to the same angle as the branch that's sticking out and cut it as flush as close to flush as possible as the base part. And all you do is just it's really easy if you use a hand saw such as this one here, something that has a long blade, so you can just go back and forth and let the blade do the work. As you can see, it's actually going quite fast. You just have to apply minimal pressure, and it depends on the type of wood as well. This rosewood is pretty soft, so it is fairly easy to cut. And as you can see, after just about 30 seconds of cutting, it's pretty much all done, and you get a very clean cut. You might have a little bit of skin at the bottom, like we have here, but you know, no big deal. I'll just kind of prune that off. If you wish to have a better angle, you can always come back down again and do another little cut. But all in all, you want to make sure it is at an angle like this anyway, because you do not want water pooling up. Like when you're cutting other branches like this, you want to make sure it has a slight angle. So if you're living in a wet climate, the water just doesn't pool on here, and then it'll cause additional rot or even additional diseases. So I hope you liked this video and got something out of it. As you can see here, just a simple pruning task, but it is very important that you use the right tools for the job. And if you have garden beds, pots, or raised beds to amend, you definitely need to check out this video next, which will go into all of those details.